How to add blur feature on YouTube videos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube Studio and log into your account. Then click on your video on pencil mark and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you'll find editor. Simply click on editor. Scroll up and you'll find blur option. You'll find two options for blur. Simply select face blur or customize blur. After you've selected, YouTube will automatically add blur feature if you click on apply. And you're good to go. This is how to add blur feature on YouTube videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.